Hi guys, come on in and let's see how the soap from last night's tutorial live came out. Let me just share this video. I'm excited on the soap from last night to see how it's going to look on the inside. So yes, we want to see. I'm just waiting for a few y'all to come in. Just give me 1 second. I'll share this video. And I will be right over there to take the soap. Oh, you have to do so much. Okay. Alright guys, so here we go. We are about to cut last night's soap. Let me turn some light on. And put some gloves on. How are y'all doing today? Today is Thursday. Y'all just got one more day of the week to go to work, and then y'all gonna be off on the weekend, relaxing and having fun, doing what you do. Oh no, nothing like that. In a second, I'm trying to crop the light where y'all can see it good, y'all. Okay. So we're going to get our soap cutter here. I'm so excited to see how it turned out inside. Okay, so I'm going to take it out the mold. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. It smells really, really good. Alright, got our paper down. So these are the sides. And remember, we use blue, purple, and butterscotch color. And we use the fragrance that I created. So let's cut a sample bar off. That's our sample bar. That's the sample bar. So here we go, cutting the soap. So as y'all know, I cut my bars big because I like to give my customers what they pay for. And my bars weigh approximately 12 ounces. So we're cutting. Oh, and that is so pretty. Look at it. This is Autumn Breeze, and it is so pretty. This is the soap from last night's live soap tutorial video. Isn't that beautiful? And it smells so good, y'all. It smells like fall and autumn. So pretty. Oh, look at them swirls. Isn't that gorgeous? This is Autumn Breeze. And see how thick I cut my bars? These bars will last you a long time. I give my customers what they pay for. I don't give y'all them little small skimpy bars and charge $12 to $15 per bar. My bars are $12 and they are huge 12-ounce bars that will last you months. And they smell absolutely beautiful. So, how are y'all liking it so far? Isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. This is the soap we made last night on the live tutorial video. And like I told y'all last night, you can make these beautiful bars of soap yourself also, and I can teach you how to do it. Just contact me and we'll get you started. This is the last bar. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. Tomorrow I'll be doing another live soap tutorial making egg yolk and coconut milk hair growth shampoo bar. If you're experiencing hair loss, hair damage, this egg yolk shampoo bar will absolutely rejuvenate your hair and start your hair growth back, stop hair loss. And I'll be making that tomorrow at 3:30 my time, Central Time. It'll be 5:30, and Eastern Time it will be 6:30. So I'll be doing that live tomorrow, making that shampoo bar, the egg yolk and coconut milk hair growth shampoo bar, to stop hair loss and prevent start up hair growth. So join me tomorrow for that soaping tutorial. And again, this is Autumn Breeze soap that we made last night on the soap tutorial live. And I think it came out beautiful and it smells so good. Just cutting this soap now, the whole room is smelling like Autumn Breeze again. It smells so good. So guys, I just wanted to come on and show y'all the results of the soap that we made, and hope you like it. And contact me on Jabelle Facebook page, JE_BEL Jabelle, or you can contact me on one of my personal pages, Tanya Marie Brown or Tanya CMS Brown. If you would like to learn how to make soap or body butter or shampoo bars or facial bars or Yanni bars, whatever you want to learn how to make, I can teach you. And yes, this soap will be available for purchase in 4 weeks because it has to cure. It has to cure for 4 weeks before I can sell it. Basically, technically, in 3 days you can use the soap. After you make it, 3 days later you can use it, but the soap bar won't be as hard as you would like it. and it takes 4 weeks for it to get harder, 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 and last longer. So this soap will be available for purchase in 4 weeks. So I want to thank y'all for joining me, and y'all have a blessed day.